फेस योगा. So पहले भी हम लोगों ने फेस योगा का एक सेशन किया है रुचिका के साथ, which was loved by everybody. Wow pose was like,
yeah, and hug yourself.
you hug yourself and wow. So this, I think everybody does after that, and it actually works. Look at my this. So वो
Yeah, exactly.
उस दिन
The
का
double
photo
chin is, yeah,
is not
gone.
there anymore.
It's gone, yes.
So though I have gained weight, तो मेरा सबसे पहले फेस पर ही आता है, but I am actually doing the face yoga. So उससे
I'm
it
sure
has,
you are doing consistently, because otherwise
yeah,
it will never show result.
every day. I do it
Perfect.
every day. So it has actually really helped. And so here we are with another session with Ruchika. Ruchika has founded F Yoga. So not that
Yoga.
F, the face yoga. Yoga. So yoga. So yesterday my husband was asking me, what is F yoga? I said
Yoga.
So we are looking forward to another exciting session, Ruchika, and all the best in whatever you are doing. You are doing fabulous. Aaj Dubai, kal wahan. So you are doing multiple sessions. Very nice.
Thank you
So
so
happy
much.
to see your progress. So let's begin. Let's begin, Ruchika.
So may I request everyone to just put on the video, because this is a practical session. So I can see everyone, if you people are, doing it correct or not. It would be really nice. So I'll start with a little bit of introduction. Most of us, I think for them, this is a second session, but we have few new joinees. So for them, basically face yoga, it's the same thing what yoga does to your body, right? So, so face yoga, it's a set of exercises which are concentrated around your facial muscles and your neck area. So we have got around 57 small muscles in this entire area, the face and the neck area. So the face yoga exercises are designed to work on this specifically. So it stimulates all those sleeping muscles and it will relax the overused muscles. तो कई बार क्या होता है, हमें हमारे फेस के ऊपर कंट्रोल नहीं रहता. When we are talking, we are raising our eyebrows, we are forming those 11 lines because we don't have control over our facial muscles. So face yoga say you'll get better control over your facial muscles. So it will make you aware about the small little habits that are causing fine lines. Apart from your age, there are like another causes. कुछ हम लोग continue habits होता है that we are repeating some specific expressions that we are repeating every day. That causes those fine lines. Like कईयों में आदत होता है just कुछ read करते हुए they squint like this. So these things particularly cause those fine lines below the eyes. So face yoga will make you more aware about your face, and obviously then it will tell you that how can we get rid of those lines which are already formed. Okay, so now I'll start the session with some mindful breathing. See, already half day is done, bahut work ho gaya, we are already feeling a little tired. So some mindful breathing will help you overcome the sluggishness of this midday and will make you more focused for the session ahead. Okay. So please everyone, now everybody just sit comfortably wherever you are with your back straight, shoulders down and little back. Close your eyes, face relaxed, forehead relaxed, and just take deep breathe in and out. Keep taking deep breathe in and out. While breathing in, say to yourself, I am. Exhale, smile and say, relaxed. Feel the sense of well-being surrounding you. Let all the sadness, tension, and pain move out of your aura. Now, put your hand on your chest and affirm, I am at peace. I feel safe to be me. I love my body and face. I am beautiful. I am happy. I am eternally young. Just feel the happiness and slowly take a deep breath out. With the feeling of happiness, bring the awareness back to the room. Now slowly open your eyes and smile. Great. So now we are all set to take the session ahead. You must be feeling a little refreshed, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Exactly. It really works. So like we all know that yoga is just not about your body, it's about your mind, it's about your soul. So similarly, face yoga help you to de-stress. It's about your entire well-being. Okay, so again, for the new joinees, I just want to tell you that like the regular exercises, what we do, we start with a warm-up, go to the exercises, and then we have this cool down process. So we're gonna follow the same procedure, okay? And before we start session, I just want to tell you that your hands should always be clean while we're exercising. Like virus time or no virus time, your hands should always be clean. Okay, your face should be well hydrated, moisturized, so that you are not causing extra drag to your skin. Okay, keep breathing until and unless you are guided, for the particular exercise ki isme thoda sa rokna hai saans ko. People keep breathing in and out. Or kisi ko bhi just listen to your body once. If you are getting little discomfort from particular pose or something, go a little slow. And slowly and steady, when you get into the flow, you'll be sorted. Okay? So we'll start with the warm-up. But today I'm not going to do the wow exercise. Because I think now everybody
Now we all know that.
Yes, now we all know the wow exercise. So I'm not going to do the wow. Shweta doesn't know, but Shweta, it's okay. I'll tell you later. So this is called Lion's Roar. This is a very, very good exercise to detoxify your body. ये आपने उसमें सिंह आसन जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं, it's the same thing. Okay? So, but हमें इसमें pose नहीं करना है इसके अंदर. So what we are supposed to do, just take a deep breathe in with your fist like this. And then breathe out. Just leave your hand like with full force. Breathe in. Breathe out with the full force. Take the entire tongue out. Your eyes should be wide open.
Ruchika, when we breathe out, the hand should be open?
Open, yes. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay, so you can just do it with your hands close to your chest. Okay? Full force. Put your hands down like this. You have to drop your hand down, okay? So we'll do this 3 times. Do it with the full force. You can feel that you'll feel more energetic after it, okay? Don't feel कि अभी कोई क्या देख रहा है. Take the entire tongue out and open your eyes like एकदम lioness.
Okay.
Okay? So let's do it once again. Take a deep breathe in. Jerk नहीं देना है हम लोग को, ऐसे नहीं करना है. Keep your body straight. Posture is really, really important in any kind of yoga. Your back should be straight. Shoulders down. Face relaxed. Yes. So this exercise we have to do thrice. Okay, this is very, very good exercise to detoxify your body. Okay, great. So now I'll move on to the other exercise. Today I'll be concentrating more on your forehead area and your under eye dark circles. ग्रुप में सब लोगों का ये डिमांड था कि अंडर आई डार्क सर्कल्स के लिए चाहिए. Basically अभी forehead भी हमारा इसलिए because these days obviously all of us are holding a lot of tension because of the things going on. So where we hold tension, we don't even realize that we are holding too much tension on our head. You start noticing this thing. आप कभी भी देखो किसी को भी बात करते हुए बहुत नॉर्मल है कि ऐसे कर बात करना, ऐसे कर बात करना. This is like a very, very normal thing. 90% of the people I deal with, they are already having this problem. So what happens? ऐसे बार करने से ये lines हमारी prominent होने लग जाती है. So what we will do, we will work on this area. We will release the tension which is accumulated in our forehead. Okay. So what we will do first, just keep your thumb near your ears, index finger on your hairline like this. With the help of middle finger and the ring finger, just iron out all the lines you have and hold your forehead tight like this. Okay. And then we are supposed to look down. Just look ekdam niche. Hold there for 10 seconds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then look at the tip of your nose. Listen, we are not supposed to move the head. We are just holding it tight. We are just moving our eyeballs. Now look the tip of your nose and just keep looking for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then look up to the ceiling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then come back to the center and relax. This will really iron out all those lines. One more thing, हमें हाथ को ऐसे नहीं रखना है. We have to keep it like this. Elbow should be out. Okay? And please don't slouch your back. शुरू में I'm sure लोगों को problem होगा एक बार में because we are not used to, but don't slouch your back. Posture is very, very important. And with the, when we are aging up, we tend to, slouch. We tend to, move a little bit in front. But no, we have to keep your back straight, shoulders down. Okay? So we can do this exercise once again. Now I'm going to just watch you people doing. Thumb at the back of your ears, index finger on your hairline, and with your middle finger and the ring finger, iron out all the lines from the center. Eyebrows ke beech mein se hum log jayenge. Just like iron out all the lines, lifting your eyebrows and just go to your hairline like this. Okay? Look down for 10 seconds. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at your tip of your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look up to the ceiling. 1. We are not supposed to move the neck. Just move your eyeballs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back and relax. You must be feeling that stretch on your forehead. Okay, और किसी को अगर neck में pain हो रहा है इससे, तो what we can do, they can do with the 5 seconds. Start with the 5 seconds and gradually you can increase the counts. Okay. So again, now I will tell you a very good exercise for your under eye area. What you're supposed to do, it is, first we'll form the V like this. Put one in the inner corner of your eyes, middle finger, and then the index finger at the outer corner of the eyes. We're supposed to look up and then squint your eyes. Squint for 10 seconds. Squint as if कि बहुत दूर या कोई धूप में देखते हैं वैसे. Squint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Close your eyes for 3 seconds, just keeping your fingers on the position. 1, 2, 3. Now open your eyes as wide as possible. As wide as possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back and relax. This is a very good to work on the lower eyelid. अभी हमारा screen time इतना ज़्यादा हो गया है. This the lower eyelid really get tired. See, हमारे dark circles are because of the many causes: hereditary, your lifestyle, sleeping habits, and the water intake. So ये सारी वजह से हमारा dark circles होते हैं. So if we are working on these under eye muscles, we are relaxing these muscles, we are toning these muscles. Okay, and apart from circles. Okay, yeah, we'll do it once again. If you don't want to look up, you can look in the front also. Okay, just focus on one point. Okay, so just make V with the middle finger and the index finger. One finger goes at the inner corner of your eyes, the other at the outer corner. अपने सामने कोई point of focus कर लो and just squint for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now close your eyes for 5 seconds and just relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now open your eyes as wide as possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now come back and relax. With age, you know what happens with few people, their eyes start getting small, right? I'm sure you people must have noticed. So with this exercise, this will open up your eyes. Why are eyes getting small? Because the thing is, the muscles that are surrounding the eyeballs, it's getting weak. So the eyeballs get inside that socket. So with these things, when we'll tone our muscles, the eyes will, will get back to its position.
Ruchika, one thing, when we open our eyes wide, the eyebrows should remain as it is?
As it is. No, as it is. That's why I really recommend you people, एक बार अपने आप जब exercises करोगे, just look at yourself into the mirror. Because we don't want extra lines. You're not supposed to move your eyebrows. We have to train the eyebrows to be at the position as they are.
Okay.
अगर किसी को position करना है अपना eyebrows को कि just to make sure it's not moving, you can do this binocular pose. Same thing. What happened? We make C out of a finger, thumb, and the index finger. We just place it like this over the eyebrows. So we are making sure that the eyebrows are not moving. We are stretching it a little out, and the thumb is near our nostrils. And then do the same thing. Just squint for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you can just close your eyes for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now open as wide as possible. So if your eyebrows are moving up, your index finger is gonna put resistance over it. So it will not move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you come back and relax. So I'm sure अब eyebrows move नहीं कर रही होंगी ना? हाँ. So this is a resistance workout. So this you can do. See, basically this thing is a second level. It's like जब हम लोग work gym करते हैं, the dumbbell is used for resistance. So again, these fingers are used for resistance. But if you're feeling that you are raising your eyebrows too much, you can just do like this.
Okay.
Okay. Perfect. So now I'll tell you a quick exercise for this under eye area only. This is a tapping thing. हम लोग के आइज के नीचे डार्क सर्कल्स इसलिए भी हो जाते हैं because of the sluggish lymphatic system. All the toxins which are supposed to move out of this area get accumulated in our lymph nodes. So we have to get rid of it. Puffiness hota because of the water retention. So with little tap thing, what you can do, you can just break those lymph. Okay, so I'll tell you this. If eyebrows moves too much, so you have to do it. See, this will not come overnight. With practice, you will train your muscles. That's what I'm telling you. This exercise, this yoga will make your muscles come into your control. You can control your muscles. Okay. So now what we'll do, again with the index finger only, we're just gonna tap around our eyes. Just with the index finger, and make sure your tapping movement is really, really gentle. It should not be too much because the under eye area is very, very delicate. So we'll just do it for like 5 rounds. This way, what we are doing, we're increasing the blood circulation around our eye and breaking those limbs which are accumulated. Perfect. And then what we can do with with the middle finger and the index finger, we can just bring that limb which is already broken to the corners here. Just massage it like this. Okay. Just make a 5 moves here like this. Go from the inner corner of your eyes to your ears like this. Don't be very, very swift. Go slowly, okay? And since we have collected all the lymph here, we are going to get it down to the collarbones. Collarbone is the collection point of all the lymph collected. So we're going to bring it down. Okay? So this exercise you can do every day in the morning. Lymph, you can just, do it every day. While doing some work or anything sitting on the laptop or screen, you can just go for it. Before sleeping, you can do it. So you will see the results. Okay. So now I'll start with the spoon massage.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I'm pretty excited for that. So I hope everybody is ready with their spoon and oil.
The spoons are waiting.
Great. So please, आप लोग अपना एक selfie ले लो अपने लिए. Okay. You will make out the difference. See, कई बार mirror में देखकर हमें difference नहीं पता चलता. So I always recommend before starting the face yoga, you should always take a picture and then take a picture after 2 months of doing, or maybe 2 weeks of doing it. So at least you'll start noticing, and that will keep you motivated. Yeah, you can use extra virgin coconut oil. Perfect. Okay. So if everybody is ready, so just take a little bit of oil in your palm and just warm it little with your hands. Rub. Why we are doing this, any natural oils ingredient, they just need little bit of warmth to get activated. So we are activating the ingredient. Okay. So just tap it all over your face. You're not supposed to, don't rub it over, just tap. Go to your neck and just tap a little. Just a sec, there's some problem. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. Now, take a spoon. Okay. So we'll just remove all this excess water. Everybody's ready with the spoon? Acha, before starting, I just want to tell you, make sure the spoons are clean, obviously. Secondly, if somebody is suffering from rosacea, this is not very good exercise for them. Rosacea, जिसमें बहुत pink का issues रहता है cheeks पे. So this is not very good exercise for people who are suffering from rosacea. Secondly, किसी का अगर veins are like really close to the skin, वो पता चल जाता है किसी को कि बहुत ज़्यादा delicate होता है कि कुछ भी करने से तुरंत prick हो जाता है. तो फिर Obviously, you're not supposed to do this. Pressure should be really moderate. Okay, so just make sure pressure is moderate. You have to control your pressure. Okay, so we'll start with the jawline. Sabka major problem jawline ka. So we'll start with that. Just put your thumb here at this hollow area. Place your spoon like this under your chin. Okay, and then sweep it across your jawline. You can hold the other part with your hands to support the skin like this. Okay, so just you must be feeling it crunchy sa kuch kisi ko feel ho raha hoga, I'm sure. That all that is the lymph which is accumulated. So we'll go 5 times, okay? And then we'll get it down. वही जो हमने lymph अभी किया to the collarbone, which is the accumulation center of it. Okay. So now what we'll do, shall we do only one part of the face so that we can, see the difference? And the other part, maybe you people can do on your own. Kavita, what say? Is it okay?
Whatever you say, Ruchika.
I'm okay. If we have time, we can do both.
I think let's do both.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so we did this thing 5, and then we'll do the same thing to the other side 5 times. Anybody feeling that crunchy kind of thing?
I'm feeling very cool.
Little crunch. Yeah. किसी को कुछ लगेगा भी knots, as if they are opening some knots. So that is all the tension which has been accumulated. And then we'll get it down.
Ruchika, this has to be done with a cool spoon only, right?
Better. Otherwise, you can do it with little warm spoon. But the cool spoon is best for your eyes. अभी हमारे पास दोनों रखने का option नहीं था.
Okay.
इसलिए. But normal spoon से मत करो, better रहेगा. ठीक है? वह कर भी सकते वैसे तो. Then what we will do? Now we'll take 2 spoons. दोनों का हम लोग ये side लेंगे और we will sculpt our jaw area. Just go little steady, guys. Don't go very fast, otherwise you will get those bruises. आराम से करो. ठीक है? What we can do, just hold. We need to hold this with both the hands like this, and just sculpt your jaw. Yes.
This is really cool.
You will see the difference, and Kavita, you're gonna share pictures with me.
Yeah.
See.
5 times again, right?
5 times, yes. And then we'll go to the other side. Before going to any party, if you people have enough time, you can just do it. This will give you a really, really sharp jawline. Perfect. So now, if everybody is done, then I'll move to the cheeks. Great. So what we'll do, we will now place it near the corner of our lips and then move up. Last time I told people that with age, our corner of the lips start drooping down.
Yeah.
So this will lift it up, and this will lift your cheeks also. Okay, so we'll just go like this. Please don't be very, very fast. Aram se karo, just enjoy it, because once you get pro, then little faster. Okay, and then we will go near the nostrils. This is the zygomatic muscles which we have. We'll go like this. Just hold this for support. This will clear the nasolabial lines. These are the nasolabial lines, the smile lines what we have. It will clear it up, and this will give you a cheek lift. Just go below your cheekbones a little. Okay, perfect. Now we will go under eye. हम लोग ये area finish कर देते, then we'll see. See, you'll notice कि your cheeks are already lifted. जिस side से हम लोग कर रहे थे, that area is much more pink and it's much more lifted now. So with this, what we'll do, maybe we can change the spoon. The other spoon has become more cooler now. So put this spoon, whatever you were using, in back to the glass and use the other spoon. Put it under your eyes and just go sweeping across. You can just close your eyes also. This is a really, really soothing effect. Yes, I have put the spoons in the eyes. Five times, okay? Then you can get this back to the nasolabial area and just sweep it over your nasolabial area a little. Nasolabial is these smile lines what we have. So just sweep it over. Okay. And then again, if you want to change your spoon, again, you can change the spoon. You can just put this cold spoon for 2 minutes on your eyes like this. This cooling effect is very, very good to improve your blood circulation in this area. This will make you get rid of this fine lines and the dark circles what you have. Great. Now what we can do, we'll just put it between the center of the eyebrows and just go in a circular motion towards our hairline. This will smoothen the fine lines which we have on the forehead, those 11 lines and all those vertical lines, vertical, horizontal lines. Yeah. And then with is just go straight like this. Again, 5. You can also, if you want to carry on, you can just, just massage like this. This muscle, which is forehead muscle, frontalis muscle, they are vertical in shape. So every time the motion should be like this, vertical, going towards your hairline. If you're going towards your eyebrow, if somebody wants that eyebrow lift, so what they can do, they can just keep it here and just hold it. कई बार होता है दोनों आईब्रोज में डिफरेंस होता है, एक नीचे होती है एक ऊपर होती है, तो जो आईब्रोज आपको लग रहा है कि नहीं नीचे ज्यादा है तो just keep it there and you can stay there for 10 seconds. Okay, so this will give you that eyebrow lift also. Okay, and then since we have collected all the lymph here, again this area, we are gonna get the lymph down. Lymph नीचे करने के हमने thumb यहाँ रखना है because हमारा करने से pressure increase हो जाता है. So we can put little more pressure on our temple. So we have brought all the lymph down. Perfect. So let's do the other side.
This is too much fun.
It is fun, no? And this side is relaxed also a little bit. It's like waken up.
How often we can do it, Ruchika?
You can do it every day if you want.
Every day. Wow.
You can do it every day. Whenever you want, you can do it.
That's really nice.
So we had done the lymph cleansing here. So we'll start with the sculpting this area, okay? So both the spoons together. And then use both the hands, please, for the better control. नहीं तो इसके edges से लगने का बहुत डर लगता है. This is a very, very old, basically Chinese technique, the spoon massage. So there, the Chinese people, they do it with the porcelain spoons, but we don't have that porcelain spoons. So we can do with this thing. Great. 5 times we have done. Then corner of your mouth, go up. Make sure your elbows are out. We cannot do like this, no. We cannot do like this. We will not giving the proper pressure. Elbows are out. Elbows out होने से you will feel the difference. एक हम लोग अगर ऐसे करते रहेंगे ना तो हमारा cheeks नीचे ही होगा. It will not go up. Now, below the zygomatic muscles, we go like this. Below the cheekbones. Now, under our eyes. Now we can change the spoon. Cooler spoon we can use.
Yeah.
This is really relaxing.
Absolutely.
और अभी तो बहुत देर बाहर रह गया, otherwise spoon एकदम cold रहता है जब करने से पहले निकालो freezer से.
No, I'm using a ice pack.
Okay.
उसी के ऊपर में spoon रखा है, so it's actually very cold.
Oh, perfect. अच्छा, इधर I just give you a tip. हमने वहाँ नहीं किया. Crow's feet. यहाँ पर lines हो जाती हैं हमारे कई बार. So again, this you can go up like this. Maybe you can just hold your skin here and then go. This will massage this area also.
Ruchika, is it better to do it in front of the mirror?
Of course, you have to do it in front of the mirror. Otherwise, you will not make out if you're doing a wrong move.
Yeah.
It's always better. Okay, then 5 times we are left with the nasolabial area. So again, we'll hold this thing here. By supporting the skin, the movement gets better. Now, coming to the forehead, we can change the spoon. Just go up, making that half circles like this. It's like going up, down, up, down. This will really boost your blood circulation. और साथ साथ में हमारा आर्म वर्कआउट भी हो रहा है.
Yeah.
Then you can go from the center of the eyebrows to up. Or here you can use the 2 spoons as well if you want. Like this. Perfect. And then going straight to the hairline. Great. And then bringing the lymph down.
Yeah.
अब left hand से थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो सकता है, तो here you can use your right hand. अगर लेफ्ट हैंड से भी अगर लग रहा है कि हो जा रहा है तो, बट इसमें हमें थंब यहाँ रखना है. आई थिंक लेफ्ट हैंड इज फाइन. या लेफ्ट हैंड से इट्स बेटर. So again, whatever lymph we have accumulated near our ears, on our temple, you're going to just bring it down to the collarbone. Lymphatic drainage is really, really important. So we started with the lymphatic drainage, we ended with the lymphatic drainage. तो जो bloating हो जाता है उन सब से you will get rid of. Perfect. So now we are done. So now you people can take one more selfie and just see the difference. So you can do it every day. अगर रोज time नहीं मिल पा रहा तो start with maybe twice or thrice a week. So this will, you know, really shape in your jaw area and it will provide you that jaw lift. And the cheek lift also. It is very, very good for the cheek lift.
Very nice. Awesome.
So questions if anybody have.
So Anju wants to know now, do we need to go to the parlor for facial or we can do it at home?
No, seriously, Anju, you don't need to go to parlor. Double chin, Shweta, I had covered it last time.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you
So
can just
those who
contact me.
missed, those who missed, they missed.
But you can really do the spoon thing, you know, this really makes a lot of difference. This will really tighten your jawline, okay?
And this is more fun also.
This is more fun. It's sculpting
Yeah.
and the results are instant. Yoga से थोड़ा time में result आता है, इससे
हाँ.
instant आता है. Great. हाँ, exactly. What you are doing, Kavita, you can do it for the neck also because हमारी जो lines कई बार हो जाती हैं neck पे.
नीचे.
This is again because of the lymph which is accumulated. So you can just go like this. Okay. So this will clear those lymph nodes. And please, guys, make sure that you don't get hurt with the edges of the spoon. Okay, this is very, very important. And please don't follow any YouTube. YouTube make somebody's following. Somebody told me that she followed YouTube video and she started doing with the edge. पूरे face में bruises हो जाएंगे. So we cannot be harsh to our skin.
Yes.
Great, yeah.
So people are saying there is a difference in selfie.
Please forward it to me, please. If you don't want to hide your face, it's okay. Just show me the area where you saw the difference. So Rajni asking for cupping. Yeah, she wants to ask for cupping.
Well,
yeah, cupping is another procedure which I do. It is very, very nice. Again, don't do it following any YouTube videos because again you will get bruises. इसमें बहुत suctions होता है, right? So suctions होता है तो हमें movement पता होना चाहिए. नहीं पता होगा तो जहाँ पर वो रह जाएगा वहाँ पर bruises हो जाएंगे. Great.
Ruchika, there are a lot of questions on the chat. So very simple ones. You can just.
Yeah, somebody asked me to make a small video of it. I will make the video and I'll post on my Insta page because actually I'm not very good with the video, so I'm still struggling. I'm working on it and I will definitely post on my Insta page. Okay.
So Nupur says she has rosacea. So should I do?
No. If you have rosacea, don't do it. Maybe you can just with the cold spoon, you can do mild exercise, but don't with it like we are going for sculpting and all. Don't do it. Yes, don't do it. And maybe you can try in your jaw. Yes, rosacea is basically for the cheeks, so don't go on your cheek area.
Urmi says she has veins showing near the lip area. So
don't do it. Don't do it if you have veins showing near your lip area because you know at times we tend to go very firm on it. So we don't want those veins to get bursted or something like that. If you can just be very, very delicate, if you can do it really lightly, it's okay. See, for the lips also, we miss this thing, but if you go very gently, just like a feather touch, it will really boost. So if we are just doing with feather touch, this will not hamper your veins. And plus, this will really boost circulation in this area. तो जो mouth हमारा black, basically वो mouth black इसलिए रहता है because of the dehydration. Okay, but if you are going like this, so this will really boost the circulation, and this will give you results.
Today, everybody will have a different use of the spoons.
Yes, and I'm sure they love it.
Actually, the cold spoon is doing wonders.
Cold spoon, even the hot spoon do wonders, but if you can use that hot spoon for your jaw area and your cheek. Never use hot spoon for your under eye area.
Yeah.
Because this skin is already very, very delicate. You have to be very gentle to this area. Yeah.
So what about those Jade rollers, Ruchika?
Jade rollers, yeah, I'm using that. That Jade rollers are also wonderful. So this is very good for the massage. Again, there's a technique quite similar to this technique also. This you can do early morning जब moisturizer लगा रहे हो सोने से पहले. So these jade rollers increase the, you know, the effect of your moisturizer or any cream what you are using by 3 times. And again, I'll tell you, jade rollers बहुत colors में आते हैं. So you have to choose the stone according to your skin. Every stone has different properties. Please don't go by कि अरे मेरे को blue अच्छा लगा मैंने blue ले लिया, मुझे black अच्छा लगा मैंने black ले लिया. Every stone has the different properties. So please, please, please choose well before buying any jade roller or any gua sha of yours, that matter.
Urmi is asking, can we use anything else apart from spoons? Those who have those veins and rosacea problem.
But then you can go for this jade roller. This is also very good. This jade roller, again, this will help you for that, increase the lymphatic drainage and this thing. Then you can go for this thing, and then you can go for this pink color stone. This is the mildest.
Payal.
That's why I always tell people, try doing facial yoga when nobody is there. Yes. So you can concentrate completely on whatever you are doing.
Absolutely true. Ruchika, people want you to show the wow pose once.
Yes. It's very, very easy. I think people who did with me last time.
We all can do it.
We all can do together. Yes. It is a very, very nice pose.
Yeah.
This, again, I say do when nobody is around. Okay. So just what you're supposed to, so you're supposed to say wow, but in a little exaggerated manner. Your eyes should be open. Yes. And make sure you're not causing any lines on your forehead. Kai log aise wow, wow. No. You're not supposed to move your eyebrows. You're not supposed to cause those extra lines. Posture really matters. Please droop karte hue mat karna. Because droop kare feeling bhi nahi aayega. Wow. Feeling bhi nahi aata hai. Your shoulder should be back.
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll say wow 5 times. Okay. So let's get started. Wow. 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 Wow.
Wow.
So what basically this exercise do, it release all those tension which is accumulated in our jaw area. It again detoxify. So this is a very good exercise. And I always tell these people that do first thing in the morning, looking yourself into mirror. This will set the tone of your day correct.
Absolutely.
Yes, this is really important. See, self-love is like really, people have been promoting it now, but we all agree that this is really important.
Absolutely. Vandana, do you have a question? You've raised hand. I think it's by mistake.
Yeah, that was by mistake.
Okay.
Drooping eyes.
Yeah, drooping eyes.
Drooping eyes.
Eyelids.
Yes, drooping eyelids. So again, I told you do this. Or आप जब ये lower eyelid maker, you can do it on upper eyelid as well. Again, jade roller comes very handy in this thing, and this is a very, very good for this. Just go like this 5 times and go like this for 5 times. Okay, this will give you very, very good massage, and this is very good for the droopy eyelids. And make sure after doing this, please drain out all the lymph. Basically, हमारा droop eyes के पास हमारा actually बहुत lymph collected रहता है. So this is a very, very good thing for droopy eyes. And you can go, if you don't, people want to just buy a jade and don't know which one to buy. So rose quartz is for the sensitive skin. And this is the mildest. Okay. So agar nahi pata hai, to at least this to you can at least go for. Otherwise, you can just ask me anytime. Just drop in a message on Insta.
So another wonderful session, Ruchika. ऐसे कराओगी तो हम लोग को हर month करना पड़ेगा.
Anytime. I'm so like really excited whenever I'm doing exercise with Cafe.
No,
everything comes from heart. Don't have to prepare.
It was fabulous.
Thank you so much. So I'm just giving my Insta handle here.
Please, yeah. Everybody, please follow her on Insta. She's a wonderful blogger, and her posts are very, very important to know for all about your face. So, Ruchika, I keep following your face pack things
Yes.
also which you keep posting on the Insta. Though I'm
Yes, every Sunday, yes.
I'm very lazy, but very
Try
nice.
doing it.
Yeah.
At least you are doing exactly. So if anybody has any questions, you can just drop down a message. I'll get back to you for sure.
Chalo, thank you so much, Ruchika.
Thank you all.
And we look forward to see you again
Definitely.
very soon.
For sure. With some different massages this time.
Thank you.
Enjoy this.
Yeah, till then.
Yeah. Yeah,
Thank
please.
you. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye, everyone.